Can IUI really boost your pregnancy chances by 15 to 20%? And why do so many couples fall for three very dangerous myths? Stay with me till the end, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the real secrets behind IUI success, bust the biggest myths, and walk you through the exact procedure step by step. If you're planning IUI or even just considering it, this video could save you months of stress. Let's start with the basics. Who really needs IUI? Couples with mild male factor infertility, where sperm count is above 10 million. Those with cervical factor infertility, where sperm can't cross naturally. Women with ovulatory problems, like PCOS. Couples with early stage endometriosis. And of course, same sex couples using donor sperm. Now here's the first myth busted. People often say IUI doesn't work after 35. Totally false. Yes, success rates drop with age, but with good ovarian reserve, women up to 40 can still benefit from IUI. Now let me take you inside the IUI journey without medical jargon. Days 1 to 5. You'll have a baseline scan and start ovulation induction medicines. Days 8 to 12. Follicle monitoring with ultrasound. Days 12 to 14. When your follicle reaches about 18 to 20 millimeters, we give a trigger shot. Days 14 to 16. The IUI procedure itself. Here's how it goes. First, sperm is washed and concentrated, which takes about 1 to 2 hours. Then, with a very thin catheter, the sperm is placed directly into the uterus. This takes just 2 to 3 minutes, and most women don't even realize when it's done. Afterward, you rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Myth busted. Many women fear IUI is painful. Nope. It's usually as comfortable as a pap smear, maybe with mild cramping. Now, here's the golden part. What really boosts IUI success? Timing is everything. IUI should be done within 24 to 36 hours after the trigger shot. Sperm quality matters. At least 5 million motile sperm post-wash. Follicle count. 1 to 3 mature follicles is ideal. Too many can actually increase risks. Luteal support. Progesterone after IUI gives the embryo the best environment. Lifestyle. A healthy BMI, no smoking, and limiting caffeine can make a huge difference. Myth busted. Strict bed rest after IUI helps. Wrong. Light activity is actually better for blood flow and improves outcomes. Let's talk real numbers, because many clinics overpromise. If you're between 25 and 30, success is 15 to 20% per cycle. Between 31 to 35, it's 10 to 15%. And between 36 to 40, it's around 5 to 10%. Most pregnancies happen within the first 3 to 4 cycles. If you've tried 6 cycles without success, IVF is usually the next step. Myth busted. Some think the more cycles you do, the higher the chance. Actually, after 4 to 6 cycles, success plateaus, so don't waste endless time and money. Now comes the hardest part. The 2-week wait. Here's what to expect. Days 1 to 7. The implantation window? Days 8 to 14. Early pregnancy hormones start to rise. Mild cramps, bloating, or breast tenderness are completely normal. But if you experience heavy bleeding or severe pain, call your doctor immediately. And please, don't test too early. Wait at least 14 days after IUI to check for pregnancy. Testing too soon only leads to heartbreak and confusion. So, what's your biggest IUI fear or question? Drop it in the comments below, because I'll answer them in my next video. If this helped you, hit subscribe and share it with someone who's also on their fertility journey. Remember, knowledge is the first step to parenthood. And I'm here to make that journey easier for you.